For project management, I'm using a Trello and Asana and Slack for communication. So, for example, I'm going to be creating a project for financial. So, I just have to click create and create a board for that specific project. So, financial, I'm going to be um, the title will be a financial project, so you just have to click create, and there, as you can see, the specific title for the project comes out. Of course, it will come out to all of your boards here. So if you have many projects, you can check all different boards in your workspace in Trello. So here in Trello, you can add cards. So you can add the workflow here. So the flow for the task is like to do. Of course, you can change this to task. So doing, you can change that to in progress. You can change this to for verification or for checking. Then add done in the workflow, and under each card you can add the specific task. Let's say in under financial project, you have a task of financial balancing. Okay, financial balancing, financial um, checking, uh, financial marketing. So once each task has been added, you do have an option to label it in colors. Let's say color green, and then add a deadline and add a member who is working for this specific task, and add attachments for their reference, or attachments where they can update the record. So here in the description, you can add a specific instructions. So you can add a link, whether it's a Microsoft Excel, a picture, or another attachment. So once done, you just save it, and there, just have to click X there. Some updates is showing up now, so you can also share this or invite another member here for this project. So once a specific person is done with the specific task, he or she can just drag it to doing or in process, um, for verification or for done. And of course, that is same with Asana. So in Asana, it's called project. So here, for example, I'll be creating um, a project here for financial projects, and then you can just set up who can just access this workflow. Then continue create project. There you can see that the specific project has been added, so you just have to add the workflow here. You can add first task, and then in process, and then done, and then each task you can, or each project or each workflow, you can add the name of the specific task, like financial balancing, and then assign it to a specific person, a due date. And of course, once the specific person is done with the task, you just have to go to the board, and he or she can just drag it to in process or in done. So similar with Trello. And of course, in Slack, we use this mostly for communication. So here's my workspace. I titled it Project Management. So if I have wanted to create a channel for my project, financial management. Okay. So just click next.